Hi friends, we are so excited to present you our new tool, Leave of Employees. The program is designed to facilitate your monitoring over time of the employees. And now I will show you how exactly to use this tool. Nothing reminds you the tool interface, of course, Gantt chart. About last one, I will leave the link in the description to this video. The principle of operation of Leave Employees is similar to Gantt chart, but no tasks and leaves, DCs and trances of your subordinates will be displayed here. So, how the program works? We click Add a Leave button in the screen upper left corner. Before us, the window of editing of this leave opens. At the left, the photo of your employee loaded from the list of employees of LeaderTask. We'll begin with the choice of the worker interested in us, so it will be by us Helen. Amazing. Then we should define the type of the entry data. Here are leave, business trip, disease, transit, unpaid leave. So we choose the leave type. Now it's time to set a temporal interval of an event. Helen was on leave since February 1st till 14th February 2. So we created already almost completely information on Helen's leave. Now it's possible to write a comment to this event. For example, days of 2017. So the leave is created. Now we click Save button. And what we see? At the left of the list of employees, Helen appeared, and opposite her name, like Gantt chart, the small band of violet color appeared. Each event has a color. In the bottom of the window, you can see all of these colors. So, leave is pink, business trip is blue, disease is green, transit is something about pink too, and unpaid leave is the yellow color. Let's add one more leave. For example, it will be John, leave 2, date from 10th February till February 24. So press save. You can visually allocate who and when goes on leave and try to make so that holidays of key figures of your company were not crossed and work didn't stop. What problems are solved by this tool? You will always know which of your subordinates most of all shirks work and who had not a rest for a long time, whom to send to the business trip and with whom it's worth leading discussion about frequent sick list. Nothing will escape from your attention. That's all. I will leave the link for downloading of the tool also in the description to this video. Thank you for watching.